out of the data center traffic goes near zero, so then we move the back-end data sources into the cloud because they're not being accessed anymore. We're doing international expansion, so we started in Canada. We want to be very agile how we do that, and having the cloud is going to help us be more agile. GPU clouds for video encoding is an interesting area. It's probably going to mean we won't need nearly as many instances. It should be n times faster than a typical CPU because we're using the graphics processor to process video, and those things are very powerful. And then cloud standardization. The features and APIs should be a commodity. They shouldn't be a differentiator. You shouldn't be able to say my cloud's better than yours because I got this API. That doesn't help. As users of clouds, that's not helping. We want everyone to have the same basic model, everyone to have something that looks like an availability group that has the same semantic behavior, even if the API is different. I can hide minor API differences in my layering and my tooling, but I can't hide it if you have some wildly different thing that I've never seen before. So we can't run on Google App Engine here because it's Python and it has a totally different model. So that's different. But if you're doing infrastructure as a service, as long as you're following roughly the same model, we should be able to use it. And then there's things like the Open Cloud Initiative and people that are trying to build some standardization here. So we're supporting that, and it's undifferentiated. It should be, I just want the heavy lifting. I don't want to have to worry about it. The differentiation should be on scale. My cloud's bigger than yours, and the quality of service, my cloud's faster than yours. But the APIs and entities that you're manipulating should be really common. And then we expect competition to drive costs down. We're already seeing Amazon just cutting prices on a regular basis, so they're trending in the right direction. And we'd expect people to come in with services that are maybe less scaled and less available but cheaper or whatever. So we start getting a few options in there. And obviously high resilience and scalability if you're running across multiple vendors, and multiple clouds, or even multiple regions within Amazon. We're currently sort of multiple